भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
I am Ananya Jha and you are watching Bharati News. Let us have a glance at top news for 20 Feb. Here is the national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Jammu today to inaugurate a series of development initiatives totaling over rupees 32,000 crore. The projects span diverse sectors such as education, railways, aviation and roads. According to the Prime Minister's office, these endeavors encompass various areas including health, education, transportation, petroleum and civic infrastructure. The Shinde government will introduce a bill in today's special assembly session to grant a 10% quota to Marathas in government jobs and education. The move follows a report by the State Backward Class Commission, which concluded that the community is social and educationally backward. Donald Trump, who drew criticism as US president for his praise of Russian leader Vladimir Putin on Monday, made his first public comment on the death of Russian opposition leader Alexei Navalny in a social media post that cast no blame but alluded to his own legal woes. The United Nations Secretary General will begin consultations on the appointment of a UN envoy to coordinate engagement between Afghanistan's Taliban government and the international community, he said on Monday. Antonio Guterres told a press conference that Taliban representatives did not accept an invitation to a meeting of international envoys to Afghanistan that he conveyed in Doha on Sunday and Monday. Fundraising activity in India will be stronger than ever over the next 2 years as conglomerates, tech firms and financial services providers hunt for capital to fuel growth and owners seize the moment to sell holdings. Capital One Financial Corporation agreed to buy Discover Financial Services in a $35 billion all-stock deal to create the largest US credit card company by loan volume, giving the combined entity a strong foothold to compete with Wall Street's behemoths. Brendan McCullum backs Johnny Bairstow and Joe Root to come good in Ranchi Test. Bairstow has managed only 102 runs in 6 innings, while Root has scored 77 runs in the series so far. Brendan has made it clear that the team management is going to keep the faith in Johnny Bairstow, who has been struggling in the ongoing series, and backed Joe Root to come good in the 4th Test match in Ranchi. Players in Delhi Football League match concede dubious-looking own goals to spark match-fixing ears. All India Football Federation President Kalyan Chaubey announced that AIFF would be investigating the incident with the 2 own goals. That's all for today. For more updates, like, share and subscribe Bharati News.